Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today I'm gonna do a very good makeup look for fall, and I was inspired in a very light and soft makeup look. So to begin, I'm gonna moisturize my skin using a beauty oil by Melissa Samways. I love this product, and now I'm gonna mix the product that I was afraid to use in this makeup look, but trust the process. Here you see like everything goes wrong, but you're gonna see in the end the amazing result that it gives me. So I'm gonna apply this very dark highlighter for black skin, of course, but I'm gonna use it in myself, like to create the bronzing effects that I absolutely love. And this is one of my favorite products ever. This is the Sex Foil Highlighter by Melt Cosmetics. I really like how it dries in my skin and it feels so light, and the shine of all the colors are absolutely beautiful. It just gives me the perfect glowy effect, especially when I add the foundation on top, and it don't look like I got something on. It's amazing, creating the flawless perfect finish for the skin, and not like the glittery effect, but just the pure finish. And the beauty oil that I used before is just to help me to blend everything, especially the darker highlighter. Okay, so next I'm gonna apply a foundation, and today I'm gonna use a light medium coverage foundation. This is from L'Oreal and I absolutely love this one. As you're gonna see here, I'm using just a small amount of product, and today I'm gonna blend the foundation using a damp beauty blender because I want to create a very natural glowy type of look. Next, I'm gonna use a very natural contour shade by Rare Beauty. I absolutely love this product because it blends so easily and it looks way natural. As I mean, the natural looking vibes for the skin today, that's what I'm gonna do. Next, I'm gonna apply a concealer under the eye area and in a few spots of my face just to conceal. I mean, I don't want to highlight today, so I'm gonna use the exact shade for my skin tone. This is a very affordable concealer, Age Rewind by Maybelline. I love this concealer, especially if you are mature skin. This one is very good because it's pigmented enough and at the same time is very lightweight. And again, I'm gonna blend this concealer using a damp beauty blender. Most of the times I like to blend the concealer using a brush, but today as I'm using the damp beauty blender, so I'm gonna do it for the concealer as well. Next, I'm gonna apply a cream blush called this is Sundown by Melt Cosmetics. I'm gonna apply using a dual fiber brush like this. So I'm gonna apply the blush, creating the lifted effect, and at the same time, I wanna create a very natural bronzy look. So I'm gonna apply a little bit in the tip of the nose as well, and in my chin, in my forehead, and then I'm gonna apply in the apples of the cheeks and blend it out. Now I'm gonna set the cream blush using almost the same color, and I'm gonna apply this Baked Blush by Milani, which is so good, so beautiful, and I love it. And I'm gonna apply it just here from the apples of my cheeks to the outside. What is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in the center of my face. And next, if you feel like you have applied too much products like I did, you can blend it out again. Just tap the beauty blender right on top of everything. It gives me a more natural look. And next, I'm gonna apply highlighter. Yes, today I'm gonna use a baked highlighter by Laura Mercier. This color is stunning, especially for a natural glowy look. As you guys can see here, it gives me just the pure effect that I love the most. And now moving on to the eyes. So I'm gonna start off applying a matte eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply to highlight my eyes a little bit. So I'm gonna use a fluffy brush and I'm gonna apply below the brows and in the shadow area. I love to highlight this area using a matte eyeshadow. You can go for shimmery eyeshadow if you like, but today to create this look I'm gonna use only matte eyeshadows. The contact lenses that I've been using are from Desio Eyes, and this is the shade Salty White. The next shade that I'm gonna use is from Huda Beauty. the imported palette, and I'm gonna use a more cool brown eyeshadow that I have here in this palette. So I'm gonna take the same brush and this eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply first in my crease like this. Then I'm gonna just blend in circular motions to diffuse the color. When I finish to work with the eyeshadow here in my crease, I'm gonna take the same shade and I'm gonna apply in the other corners of the eyes and in my eyelid. But this time, I'm not gonna blend too much. I'm gonna just apply the eyeshadow and I'm gonna, of course, diffuse it a little bit. This is the most easy smoky eye ever, and I absolutely use it every day. So I just take one of the eyeshadows that I like to use the most and I apply first into my crease, work the eyeshadow. Most of the times I use a lighter eyeshadow than I'm using here, but I absolutely love this very simple step by step. As you guys can see here, it's very easy to work with only one eyeshadow in the eyelids and it looks stunning, like a pro effect. And also I'm gonna take the same brush, no more product, just what is left in the brush, and I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line just to diffuse the eye look a little more to give me a better finish for the eyes. So I'm gonna use a brown eyeliner, and today I chose a gel formula because it's very pigmented, so easy to blend, but I gotta work fast. So I'm gonna take the eyeliner, I'm gonna apply in the roots of the lashes, and next, I'm not gonna wait it to dry. I'm gonna just diffuse it using a smaller brush. So I'm gonna use brown today because this look is made for fall, but if you like, you can go for black gel liner, and if you like, of course, as I used here a neutral eyeshadow, you can play with the colors. You can go for green, purple, blue, any color that you like, but for this look today I'm going for brown. So feel free to be creative, and as I said before, when I apply the gel liner, I'm gonna just blend, diffusing the edges a little bit, and I'm gonna use a short shader brush like this. This is a very firm brush, and I'm gonna just diffuse it a little bit. I don't have to apply too much product because I want to focus just in the root of the lashes today. And for a more long wear effect, you can set the gel liner using a eyeshadow. Of course, I'm gonna do it today with the darkest color in the palette, and I'm gonna just apply a little bit on top using the same brush as before. So I'm gonna set the gel liner with the eyeshadow, and next, to finish the blend, I'm gonna apply just the same brown eyeshadow that I used for my eyelids to diffuse even more this dark brown eyeshadow that I used here, because when I applied the gel liner and diffuse it, it was amazing. But when I add the eyeshadow on top, I feel like I need to blend a little more. So I finish off the eyes with some mascara. I curl my lashes, apply mascara and falsies because I really love the end result with mascara, and of course false lashes because my eyes are too big for my lashes, my natural lashes. And now moving on to the lips, I'm gonna use a dark brown, warm brown, of course, lip liner by Melt Cosmetics. But the way that I love to use it is just apply a little bit and blend. It gives me the most perfect end result, so it looks perfect for me. Now I'm gonna apply Huda Beauty lipstick, and this is a moisturizing formula. I'm gonna use just a little bit of a nude lipstick, and that's how I finish this makeup look. I hope that you love it much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Mwah.